Good day, everyone. Today, I will guide you through using Trello, a simple and intuitive tool for managing tasks and projects. Trello is a popular because of its visual approach and flexibility it can be used for personal, organization, team collaboration, or even large-scale projects. Okay, by the end of this session, you will know how to create board, organize tasks into lists and cards, collaborate with others, and use additional features like power-ups and mobile apps. In order for us to learn in this demo, for example, let's imagine we're managing a project to organize a company event such as a team building, retreat, or you are organizing your thesis project. This will help us understand Trello's features. To give you the explanation of a brief explanation of a Trello structure, a Trello has three main components. Board represents there's a board, list, and cards. Board represents the overall project or workspace. When we say list, it represents categories or stages in workflow. When we say cards, it represents specific list or items within a list. So, again, the three components, the boards, the list, and cards. Okay, let's now start accessing Trello. The first thing that you are going to do is that you need to open your browser. Let's open our browser first and go to Trello.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for free using your email, Google account, and Microsoft account. And now let's go to get Trello for free or sign up. Okay, in order for you to sign up, for me, I need to link my Google account to sign up. So, continue with Google account. And then, choose your active email. So, for me, in my case, I will choose my university email or USAP email. And here you go. Once logged in, you will see your Trello dashboard. This is where all your boards are displayed. But for now, we don't have board yet, so this is empty. Okay, since we don't have a board yet, now let's create a board. You can click here, the create new board here, or you can click the create button at the upper corner. So just let's click the create new board, and as you can see, you need to create a board title. But for me, let's name it as my thesis. You can also customize or choose your background pictures for your board or background color, but for me, I will choose this picture. And by the way, the boards can be set to private, shared with your team, or public, depending on who you want to collaborate with. So by default, I will just okay, my thesis. What happened? My thesis, and I will choose this picture, and I will retain this workspace. And if you're ready, if you're done customizing your board, just click the create. Okay, here you go. You are inside your board. No, you are inside your board. This is your board dashboard. My thesis dashboard. The name of your board is my thesis, and this is your dashboard. Now, inside your board, there are by default there are three lists. Okay, by default there are three lists here. Okay, since you have default three list here, you can also add another list. For example, requirements, and yeah, you can add more as you can or more as you want. Okay, and then you can also reorder the list. For example, the requirement should be in the beginning or at first or in the middle. It depends upon you. Okay, depends upon you. Yeah, this is beautiful. I like this software, or I like this app. Okay, let's customize first the to-do. Before creating another list, just customize first the to-do. What is the to-do list? Task we need to complete. That's the to-do list. And the next list is the doing. For me, I need to, but this is my project. So for me, the right term, just for me, the right term is in progress. So in progress, okay? In progress, tasks that are currently being worked on, okay? And the next task is done. So for me, it's not done, but it's completed. Okay, it's completed. That's for me. That's the right term if I manage a project. Okay, to do is tasks we need to complete. In progress, tasks that are currently being worked on, and completed tasks that are finished. Okay, so a list can represent categories, deadlines, or even priorities. It's completely up to you. Okay, it's completely up to you. Now let's add a card. Let's add some cards to the to-do list. Okay, let's add a card to the to-do list. Okay, just click the add card. Now you can put your to-do, you can put your list here. For example, since this is my thesis, or I will create a finalize thesis topic. Okay, finalize thesis topic, and just click here, add another card, write chapter 1, or what you say, for example, introduction, and create another card. We can say conduct literature, or literature review. This is very important. And just click enter. What else? Prepare chapter 3. Yeah, or what we called methodology. Okay, and lastly, we need to add schedule consultation with advisor, and click enter. Okay, now let's go to editing cards. Just click on any card to open it and explore additional options. For example, the card name write chapter 1 or introduction, I will click it to open, and here you go. This modal appear, and you can also add a description for more details about the task, likely for example, write chapter 1. Okay, so for example, I need to go to the library, for example, to get more research or get more information about it. Okay, just an example, actually, as an example, and click save. And then you can also add a member to your or you can assign member to responsible for specific task. For example, just click here, member, and if add your member or search the name of the member here. You can also add labels. Okay, so let's create a labels. For example, this is urgent. This is urgent, and what is the color for the urgent is red, bold red. Okay, and then create. So as you can see, this is urgent. You can also add another labels in one card. For example, there's already urgent here, but still you can add more. So let's try. Label is priority. Okay, priority. So I will color it to blue. Yeah, I'll go to blue and create. So this is urgent and priority. Okay, and you can also add checklist here. Okay, here, for example, and under the right chapter 1, so the title is we can also this checklist is for a subtask. For example, right chapter 1. So under right chapter 1, the subtask for under right chapter 1. So we need to add a subtask. What are those subtasks? Okay, for example, draft introduction. Okay, and just click add or enter, and then add another one, just or define objective or objectives. Okay, and click enter. And if you have more, like for example, submit for feedback. Okay, and it will automatically save. You can also add a due date for this task, for this card. Okay, you can also just click the date here and due date. You can also start, and for example, today is December 4 and the due date will be on December 14, for example, December 14, and set due date reminder, so at least 1 hour before the due date. Okay, so click save. That's it. Okay, let's go back to our board, and as you can see, under the to-do list there are colors displayed in one of our cards. Okay, there is a color red or urgent. There's this color blue or priority. You can also click here, click the color, and the word will be displayed. So under the red is urgent, and under blue is priority. Okay, and then let's proceed to moving cards between list. So to do, again, we have to do, in progress, completed, and other is requirements list. So let's focus on to do, in progress, and completed list. Okay, now if once a task is started, simply drag the card from to do to in progress. Okay, when it's done, move it to completed. Let's go first with the right chapter 1, or the finalize this topic. Okay, once this task is started, simply drag this card from to do to in progress. Okay, so once this started, okay, now as you can see, finalize this topic card is under, now it's under the in progress list. Okay, now what if the chapter 1 is also started? So just drag it to in progress. Okay, now when it's done, move it to completed. Now you are done with finalizing this topic. Now you can drag it to completed. Okay, I hope I made it clear, and to wrap it up, I want to recap this session, and today we'll learn how to create a board and structure it with lists and cards. So from board, and inside the board there are lists, and inside the list there are cards. Okay, and you also learned how to track progress by moving cards across list. Okay, we're done. Thank you for your time. Trello is a versatile tool, and I encourage you to use it or start using it for your thesis project to stay organized and on track. Thank you so much.